Uh, Needs analysis. Okay, this topic deals with describing what's needs analysis and what's its place within language curriculum design. Okay, English language teaching. The basic assumptions attached to English language teaching is that successful language, a sound language program is based on an efficient or appropriate needs analysis. So we will take a stock of what means by needs analysis and how this term has been described in key literature on language curriculum design or in the second language acquisition literature. All right. Okay. According to Richards, needs analysis is a set of procedures, right? It's a systematic way. It's a set of principles which are used to gather information about learners. So you could see here the key focus, the key emphasis is the learners, right? I mean, we are just needs analysis. When we talk about the needs analysis, we talk about the learners. It's quite natural that needs analysis is about determining the needs of the learners, their wants, their lacks, their strengths, their weaknesses. Okay, right. So, apart from language needs, what we need to find out in needs analysis is, as this quote indicates, we need to find out the level of motivation of the learners. Whether, within a specific group of learners, to what extent they are anxious or they are motivated. Okay, so this is quite a job of a teacher to find out the motivation of the learners, right? Then we've got some expressed needs. Okay? By expressed needs, I mean to say some students might explicitly say they need grammar translation method, or on the other hand, some students might say they need communicative language teaching. So these are some expressed needs. And on the other hand, some students come for, general English learning. Some students might come for example, English for academic purposes or English for specialized purposes. So these are the expressed needs. And needs analysis also, deals with the likes and dislikes. So what I mean to say, we will look at these different elements in depth in our following sessions, right? And within needs analysis, we will also identify what wants and styles of learning, strategies of language learning the students carry. Okay, so our aims is basically within needs analysis, within this topic, what we're going to look, we will see what approaches of needs analysis are there. How needs analysis can be conducted, and what purposes, for what purpose needs analysis is conducted. Okay, whether it's conducted just to find out the motivation level of the students or their linguistic needs, right? And then the nature of needs analysis, and what's the target population, okay, where the needs analysis is going to take place, how many people are going to be, the sample itself, and the procedures, right, and how well we can use this information regarding needs analysis of students, right? So there are certain key areas, which are relevant to needs analysis, and I think the most important one is the intrinsic motivation, the element of intrinsic motivation, right? And I think through needs analysis, we can better understand whether the students are intrinsically motivated or not. And I think I would like to give my own personal example here while when I was in the UK. And as part of my MA TESOL program, we were given a task of teaching, academic English And that was for pre-sessional students, pre-sessional who are going to join specialized programs afterwards, right? So I was given a task to teach, hedging or the use of may and might in academic writing. So before teaching may and might, what I did, I conducted a needs analysis. Through this needs analysis, I came to know the intrinsic motivation, the motivation level of the students and their strengths and likes and their wants and their weaknesses. So this is how, an effective language teacher starts with needs analysis. So teacher is a central phenomenon of language curriculum design, and I think language curriculum design it revolves around an efficient needs analysis.